So Klapec Trucking started in 1949. We're running 80 trucks. We have 150 trailers. We're in all 48 states. We go to Canada. One of the most important things our customers want is that on-time delivery. And they rely on us. We've given them that service for 74 years now, and that's what they've come to expect from Klapec Trucking. In choosing Motive, we had a whole laundry list of different companies we were looking at. We went with Motive because we know that Motive expands their technology faster than anybody in the market today. So prior to Motive, the accidents were a he said, she said type of thing. And so adopting the inbound and outbound camera has helped that a lot. The safety director, number one, spends a lot less time working on each claim in each case. But lawyers also spend a lot less time on each case, which is cheaper for the insurance company, which then ends up being cheaper for us. Motive is now used to bonus the new drivers and keep them happy and keep them with the company. Every driver has their score, and there is competition of who can get the highest score. The biggest thing that the drivers want to know is, what did I do wrong? How can I fix it? And that's what the conversation has become. The biggest improvement we've seen with the Motive app and with the AI cameras is following distance. Distractions in the cab of the truck has gone down tremendously since that camera points it out, and get that ding, ding, ding. And it only takes one of those to lose a percentage point for the month in the bonus. I highly recommend to get the cameras, put them in your trucks. Whatever you pay to Motive will be saved in insurance rates and insurance claims down the road. It only takes one insurance claim to pay for 3 years worth of the camera service. That is huge. And if you can save just one accident from happening, you need to do it.